Guys, this is Alice and I welcome you to my channel. So today's video is all about unboxing few baking products I purchased from Amazon. So it's a small, or you can say a mini haul of baking products, and also sorry for not posting a vlog since long. So let's start the video. Let's start with the haul video. So the first product we have is this. It's a alphabet bowl. This is how it looks. And also let me tell you that I have already opened all of these products and sanitized them because of COVID. So this alphabet mold is used to make like decorate your name or the letters on a cake. Like what you have to do is you melt a chocolate, put it on the alphabet mold, and you freeze it for 10 or 15 minutes. Then the letter comes out, and then you decorate it according to your name or order, whatever. I'll keep this inside. The second product, which is butter paper. This is how it looks. This is 50 sheets and this is 50 sheets. In total there are 100 sheets, because I was like, it wasn't allowed to get one, so it was like minimum order was 2. With that you get 2 brushes. Here it is, 2 oil brushes. And yes, the price of these are like, this is for 99 each packet, so minimum order was 2, so I got both of these for 199. Here comes the third product, which is Pinata Heart and Pinata Circle mold. Here they are. This is how it looks. And here is the one, Pinata Heart mold. The whole thing, like 1, 2 and 3, including all these 3 products, costed me around 350 rupees. So yes, and how to use these is that you, again, as in the alphabet mold I told you, you have to melt the chocolate, pour it upon this and spread it properly and freeze it for 10 minutes, and put the second layer of the chocolate and freeze it again for 10 minutes, and so that it doesn't break, like doesn't melt easily when you break it. So mostly people in bakers say that you should put 3 layers of chocolate, taki wo, when you like break the pinata, it breaks properly and it doesn't melt. So that's what is also repeated with this, and this is a hammer used to break the pinata. Fourth product is here. Yeah. These are medium hard pinata molds. This is probably used to make popsicles. This is how it looks. Same thing also you do with this mold is you melt the chocolate, spread it over the heart and freeze it for 10 minutes, put the second layer, and again, as I told you, freeze it for 10 minutes. And then what you do, you put some cake in it, like baked cake, put it in, again put the third layer above the cake, and then your popsicles come out, and they are very tasty, to be honest. So yes, and this one costed me also around 220 rupees. Product is here, which is very small pinata heart molds. This is used to make chocolates mostly, or also you can make, but I guess it is better if you make chocolates in it. This is how it looks. Yeah. So, and this one costed me around 200 rupees also. Yes. Comes the sixth product, which is the baking dishes. Here it is. We'll put this at a side. These are the baking trays. One is of heart shape. God, sorry. This is of heart shape. Here it is. And this is of circle. These 3 baking utensils are non-stick. People who don't eat oil or who you eat less oil, this is recommendable for you guys. So also I'll show you how to open. There's a lock system here. Just 1 minute. Yeah, lock system here. Let like this. This upper layer will be loosened up, and you can easily take out your cake like this. So here it is, everyone, and again you use it to lock it up. Now I have locked it, and I'll put this baking tray inside. Same thing with the circle also, you have this lock system here. It's very tight. And so yes guys, again your cake comes out. Store this thing, tighten this up. Where is it? Yeah, it's done. And same thing with the circle also. You have this opening thing here. Open it, lift your tray, and your cake, and your cake comes out. Actually I'm I have been unboxing it for the first time, so that's why I'm facing some problem. Otherwise, to be honest, I guess it's easy. Again you store your tray here, and it's done. It won't at all fall. Let's keep these in the back. Last, the 7th product is here, which is a cake rotating table. Here it is, which is 1 minute, yeah, which is used in icing your cakes. It gives the proper finishing actually of your cake. So I'll open this also right now. How it is. Here is the cake rotating table, and with this, this was not actually written in the packet, but I guess we got this for free. So these are few spatulas to decorate the side of your cake. Yes, here it is, and 4 types of 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 spatulas also you get with this. So this one costed me around 450 rupees. This cake rotating table. It is easy to ice your cake. So here we come to the end of this mini haul video. And also guys, today I crossed 500 followers on Instagram. So I'm really thankful for it, and if you haven't followed me, link is in my description box. Make sure you follow, and also do drop a like in this video, share it as much as you can, drop one comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. More videos to come soon. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye everyone.